Welcome to our tutorial on the invoice menu in the VFD software. In this video, we'll guide you through the various options available in the invoice menu, helping you manage your invoicing tasks efficiently. To access your invoicing tools, navigate to the invoice menu from the main menu. Here, you'll find a range of options designed to help you create, manage, and monitor your invoices. Click on the Make Sale button to start a new sales transaction. This will open a form where you can enter the necessary details for the sale. First, you'll need to choose the customer. Once chosen, the customer information will automatically show up. Add the department the sale is being made in. Next, add the product name for the sale. Once chosen, the product's information will show up and you can choose to make changes to the quantity and selling price. If you want to add another product, you can click on the plus button as shown. The selected products will appear in the sales list with their details. You can review the list to ensure everything is correct. Once all the information is entered and reviewed, click Save to complete the transaction. This will generate a receipt and send the invoice to the batch invoice system. While making a sale, if you generate an invoice that exceeds the total amount for the invoice or for the day, then it will show a message saying the total sales amount limit has been reached. You can continue making the sale by clicking on OK and clicking on Save to generate the invoice. A confirmation message will be shown, and by clicking on OK, the receipt save message will be shown but will say the receipt requires approval. To approve the receipt, navigate to the Approvals tab from the Invoice menu. Here you will see all the invoices waiting for approval. Look for the invoice you want to approve and click on the tick icon at the far right in order to approve it. An approval message is shown, and by clicking on OK, the receipt is generated and sent to the batch invoices to be sent. When an invoice is generated, it is first sent to the batch invoices system for processing. The system's cron job is responsible for automatically processing and sending these invoices to the TRA. The cron job is configured to automatically send invoices from the batch invoices section to the sent invoices section. If an invoice is no longer visible in the batch invoices, it has likely already been processed and moved to the sent invoices section by the cron job. If the invoice is found in the batch invoice section, you can manually trigger the sending process. To do this, click on the cloud icon located at the far right of the invoice. This action will send the selected invoice individually. After the invoices are processed, they can be viewed in the Sent Invoices section. After the invoices are processed, you can view them in the Sent Invoice section. This area displays all sent invoices along with important details. In the Sent Invoice section, you'll find the invoice information, including the TRA status and API message, which indicates whether the invoice was successfully processed. You can click on the first icon at the far right to view the invoice details. The second file icon is to view the local receipt that is generated in the system. The last icon at the far right is to view the TRA verified receipt. The TRA resubmit option allows you to resubmit invoices to the TRA that may have failed. You can search for the invoice using the invoice number, receipt verification code, or GC number. Once you find the invoice, you can see four icons at the far right. The three-line icon at the far right is to view the invoice, the file icon is to view the local receipt, and the eye icon is to view the TRA verified receipt. You can resubmit the invoice by clicking on the cloud icon at the far right. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please refer to our documentation or contact support.